Welcome back to my channel. I am King Bash. I'm an 4 years experienced trader in this industry. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe and like the video because I'm dropping knowledgeable videos, good videos on price action, market structure, and some concept on ICT. So if you want to learn knowledge, I simplify everything in this channel. So please subscribe and follow me through. All right, so we are going to the chart now. Today I'm going to show you an opportunity they are supposed to have capitalized today in the market using what we call liquidity. Liquidity. I told you that what draws the market is liquidity. The market needs liquidity to move, and the market attacks liquidity, both the opposing in both sides, both the sellers, the liquidity below, and those above. That's what the market do. It attacks liquidity, and you can find liquidity in everywhere in the market. There are some sensitive areas. If you watch my previous video, I explain more on where you can find liquidity. So, and do well to go back and learn more on liquidity on my previous video. So today I'm going to show you just a few minutes of an opportunity you could have capitalized today in the market. So now you can see that this is a daily time frame, or the price have been making higher highs, higher lows. The price is coming down, higher lows, lower lows and lower highs. So when price reached here, price came here and consolidated. Price stayed here for a while. So immediately, what happened? Immediately, when price reaches here, so when price reached here, you can see price made a high here. This was the last lower high price made before it made this lower low. So when price came here, price consolidated for a while, and now price created this low. You can see this low is a liquidity because it's a daily time frame. All these daily lows are liquidity here, and you can see immediately price broke this high. It has swept the liquidity above. So before price starts, this is what we call a change of character on daily time frame. So we are expecting price to start going up from this point. So what happened? Before price go up, it has to come back and take the liquidity below, staying here. And once price takes the liquidity here, that is when price will start moving up. Then to start attacking all this liquidity above. So you can see this point, we have liquidity around this zone here. You can see we have liquidity around this zone here. This point and this point here. You see, this is a liquidity here. So now price came here and swept the liquidity here. You see, price swept the liquidity here. Then price is about to start going up to attack this upper liquidity. Now if you go to the 4-hour time frame, what will you see? Now you can see that on the 4-hour time frame, what happened here? After on the 4-hour time frame, you can see what happened here. This was the low on the daily. Price came here and swept this low here. You can see on the 4-hour time frame. So what happened? Also, price was creating lower lows and lower high. Then from here, price swept this high also on the 4-hour time frame. And what can you see here? You can see an imbalance, which is also a magnet according to ICT. So price will come back, have this imbalance and start moving up. So now what happened now? You can see there is an imbalance around this level. You can see this level here. We call that an imbalance around this region here. So price came back down, tap the imbalance, and the price starts going up. You can see when you come to the 1-hour time frame, now you can see it clearly. You can see the imbalance here. Now you can see. You see? This is an opportunity you could have taken the market. So immediately today, the market opened. You see this horizontal dotted line. So when the market came inside this imbalance here and closed bearish here, so what do? You start looking. Now this is an Asian low here. This is what we call an Asian low. It's also a liquidity area. These are areas where we find what liquidity around this zone. You see? So what did price do? Price swept it and tapped inside the imbalance. And now once price tapped inside the imbalance, this is where you, after the close of this candle, then you start looking for your buy. Immediately the next candle open. What do? You go to lower time frame. You can go to the 5 minute to look for your entry, or you go to the 1 minute to look for your what? Entry here. You can see on the 1 minute, you can see on the 1 minute, all right, you can see on the 1 minute here, on the 1 minute, what happened? Price was making lower lows and lower highs. Price was making lower lows and lower highs. Immediately price reached here. This was the last lower highs price created. And what did you see? You can see a break of structure. A break of what? Structure here. Immediately you can see this is what we call a break of structure here. Happened here. Price swept this high. So what? Immediately you see this break of structure. What do? You start looking for your entry. You start looking for your entry here. You can see all this place after this break of structure. You see there are no, you can see there is no imbalance. So what are things you can consider? Also you can see liquidity here. You can see, why do I mark this zone? You can see because here there is also a liquidity staying here on the 1 minute. You see here, and you see this place here is also an area of liquidity here, staying here. You see, this is a trend line liquidity. You see, immediately price swept this low and tap this zone here. There's a supply zone here on the 1 minute. So this is where you enter your trade. This is where you enter your trade. You see, you enter your trade here, you put your stop loss below this low here, and you target above here. You can see, and look at how price moved. You can see, you can target above here. Price will attack all the liquidity around this level. So this is what price do. Before price go up, it sweeps the liquidity before it push up. This is opportunity you could have capitalized on. So for more information, follow, subscribe, and like this channel. I will be dropping more videos on price action, ICT, everything you want. Just put your comment down and I got you. I'm here to give knowledge based on the knowledge I have in the market for a very long time. So please support this channel. Just do well. It will not take you a long time. Just subscribe and help this channel. Thank you.